This Exquisite Majestic Series home is just the perfect match of modern elegance and everyday comfort. Walking in, you're welcome to the open concept great room with a gas log fireplace and an abundance of natural light coming in from the oversized windows. The kitchen is the heart of the home with a gourmet island showcasing stunning quartz countertops and new appliances with a walk-in pantry makes it both functional and stylish. The owner suite is a true private retreat with elegant tray ceilings, spa-like ensuite featuring a walk-in shower, and fully customized walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are generously sized at 13 by 14, offering plenty of space for family or guests. A dedicated den with glass pocket doors is perfect for working from home or relaxing in style. The mudroom and laundry feature custom built-ins to keep everything neat and organized. And outside, a covered 24 by 12 patio invites you to enjoy quiet mornings or lively gatherings. You won't want to miss an opportunity to see this home. Call Vicki Top today to experience this one-of-a-kind home.